The last part of your rough draft will be to compose your concluding paragraph. The concluding paragraph will be written in your literary analysis compare and contrast essay slide deck that we've been working in over the course of the entire essay. You can find the concluding paragraph slide on slide 17. A concluding paragraph is the last words in an essay that will have the most impact on the reader. Therefore, the concluding paragraph should contain its key points. After rephrasing your thesis statement, you should write a specific statement that differs from your frame in the introduction, followed by a general statement that is different than the hook that you used in the introductory paragraph. A concluding paragraph should do at least some of the following: summarizing, offering a solution or recommendation, posing a question, justifying a stance or belief, or presenting a point of view. You can kind of think of a concluding paragraph as the reverse of an introduction. For example, if you were writing an essay about monarch butterflies and their migration paths, you might begin your essay with this type of introductory paragraph. The beautiful colors and migration of the monarch butterfly have always been fascinating to scientists. Currently, there are both habitat and environmental factors that pose threats to this favorite flying insect. Even though historically the monarch butterfly population has come back from the winter storms that threatened its existence, recovering from thoughtless actions of humans might prove to be more problematic. You'll see in that introduction that the hook is highlighted in yellow, the frame in blue, and the thesis statement in purple. So for the concluding paragraph, you would then kind of go backwards with a rephrased thesis statement, that is your thesis statement in new words, a specific comment that reviews the main points that you've gone over in your essay, and then a general statement or mic drop. A finishing concluding paragraph might read such as, although monarch butterflies have bounced back from past threats caused by nature, the hazards caused by people may be too monumental for this favorite butterfly population to overcome. Concerns about the future of the monarch are valid and serious. It is imperative to address the danger confronting this remarkable butterfly before it becomes extinct. For another example, you can take a look at the exemplar paragraphs written by Mrs. LaPaglia for her essay about Jonas and the poem Identity. Her concluding paragraph reads as follows. In conclusion, Jonas and the narrator of Identity both strive to achieve uniqueness and true liberty in their lives, but diverge in the way that they think about those goals for others. That's basically the same as the thesis statement from the introductory paragraph, but in new words. Next, she gives a specific comment. Ultimately, they both understand that they cannot conform to the expectations of the societies they live in, and that they must forge their own distinctive paths in life. The last general statement, or mic drop, reads, the main difference, however, lies in their desire to support others on their own journeys. As you are writing the conclusion paragraph for your essay, you have a few different resources to support you through the process. First, we encourage you to look at the exemplar paragraph that's in your essay slide deck in order to see what a concluding paragraph should look like. You also, in your slide deck, have a link to a bunch of different concluding paragraph examples that might be helpful to you. If you navigate to slide 36 and click that link, you'll be able to see a variety of different conclusion examples. Next, in the 3.12 Pear Deck, you have a number of different sentence stems and phrases that we encourage you to use, mix and match to finish up your essay. And as always, Ms. Seagren, Ms. LaPaglia, and Ms. Durr are always happy to help you if you're really stuck and need support. Please reach out to us if that's the case for you.